RVFX Mesh to Terrain tutorial. Merge with existing terrain. In this tutorial, we will merge mesh data into an existing Unity terrain. Prepare the mesh objects you want to bake and the target terrain you want to update. For multiple mesh objects, place them under one root object. Open the tool from Tools, RVFX, Mesh to Terrain. Step 1. Source. Assign the root object that contains your mesh objects. Step 2. Terrain. Set output mode to merge with existing terrain, then assign your terrain to target terrain. Step 3. Textures. Enable the texture outputs you need. For this example, we will enable diffuse, normal, and mask. Step 4. Convert. Review the settings, choose an export path, then click Convert. The new terrain output now includes the baked source mesh data. The export folder contains a new terrain data asset and a new layer for the baked mesh. Existing terrain layer assets are reused instead of being duplicated. Only the new generated terrain layer is created and added to the merged terrain. That is the basic workflow for merging meshes with an existing terrain. Thanks for watching.